Some concerned persons for Rivers State don't chook mouth and torchlight some projects wey don dey abandoned by different administration for the state. Dem come talk say belle no sweet dem at all as all the administration wey dey take over from the one wey first dey don fail to complete the projects wey first dey ground before dem enter power. Dem come still talk say the abandoned projects na waste of taxpayers money and say no be small money the administration wey dey that time spend to start all the projects, and say some of the new administration no dey see these abandoned projects for Rivers State as something wey dey important. Some of the abandoned projects now, the mall around the GRA houses of Port Harcourt wey Celestine Omeha administration start and the Chibuike Amechi administration wey come enter power after Celestine Omeha no complete am. Another project na the monorail wey be one ogbonge project wey Chibuike Amechi administration start but the Nyesom Wike administration no complete am at all. All these projects and many more dey scattered across the state wey dem never complete.
Chief among them of such projects is the mall that was started by the Omeha government. Amechi came, abandoned it, same for this current government that is about to expire in the next few days. Of course, the monorail, Songhai farm, the fish farms, and several other projects that have been abandoned here and there. Yeah, the society government may argue that possibly the contractual agreements or even the projects sum and style may not go well with the government. But one would have expected that rather than abandoning it, the stakeholders can be called, the issues reviewed.
Government is supposed to be a continuation of government, but in Rivers State, what we see is high level of political tussle. The general hospital in Bori is yet to be completed and then commissioned by Governor Nyesom Wike. Now, the fear is that the next government that will take over for Governor Nyesom Wike, what is the sense in it that he may want to continue the project?
Some people come talk say dem no dey part of those wey say the Nyesom Wike administration no pick up abandoned projects and say dem believe say Wike don do more infrastructural development than some of those wey dey power before him.
For instance, let's look at the monorail. If you say today, why didn't the Wike administration continue the monorail? What is the blueprint for that monorail? Where is the funding? What is the plan? Who is the contractor? Is the money collected? Is it commensurable with the job done? Now you mentioned Songhai farm, which is a very wonderful thing in terms of agriculture. We have a Songhai farm. What is the plan?
One white elephant project, that's the monorail, which of course he said he wasn't going to touch because he didn't see what impact on transportation in the state a 3-kilometer, 1 kilometer monorail will have on transportation in the state. In Andoni, you will see that the Unity Road is ongoing. It was started during the administration of Odili.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.